Hi everyone. To prove that the expression 3 times n square minus 9 times n plus 16 is strictly positive for every value of the natural number n, we can write it as the sum of the square of an expression in terms of n, which is always positive, and a positive number. Eventually a fraction. Hence, we have 3 times n square minus 9 times n plus 16 that can be written as equal to 3 times n square minus 9 times n plus 27 over 4 plus 111 over 12. As the number 16 equals the sum of the fractions 27 over 4 and 111 over 12. Now as the fraction 27 over 4 equals 3 times 3 over 2 all square, we would have 3 times n square minus 9 times n plus 16, that equals 3 times n square minus 9 times n plus 3 times 3 over 2 all square plus 111 over 12. By extracting the number 3 as a common factor from the three first terms of this sum, we would have 3 times n square minus 9 times n plus 16 equals 3 times n square minus 3 times n plus 3 over 2 all square plus 111 over 12. This can be written as equal to 3 times n square minus 2 times 3 over 2 times n plus 3 over 2 all square plus 111 over 12. Now by factorizing the expression between the brackets, which represents a remarkable identity, we find that 3 times n square minus 9 times n plus 16 equals 3 times n minus 3 over 2 all square plus 111 over 12. Now, as we know that whatever the value of the natural number n, the expression 3 times n minus 3 over 2 all square is strictly positive, and that the fraction 111 over 12 is strictly positive also, then we can deduce that their sum, which equals 3 times n square minus 9 times n plus 16, is strictly positive for every value of the natural number n.